Yeah, Vipin, can you please be on the mute? Vipin, please stay on the mute. Okay, hi everyone, guys. Very warm welcome to Marticus Learning. My name is Anshul Agarwal, and I am the training head for the North India Centers of Marticus. So me and my team look after the training process for Marticus across Lucknow, Jaipur, Gurgaon, and Delhi.
Anshul, 1 second. Sakshi, can you please mute Vipin from your end? Thank you. Yes, Anshul, please continue.
Yeah, I'll just repeat, guys. My name is Anshul Agarwal, and I'm the training head for the North India Centers of Marticus Learning. Okay, so me and my team look after the training processes for Marticus across Lucknow Center, Jaipur, Gurgaon, and Delhi centers. From today, you all are starting your training journey with Marticus, and we all are here to welcome you and provide you an overview about the all the aspects related to the training part as well as the placement process for this CBWM program. Okay, let me start by giving you a brief about Marticus Learning. So Marticus Learning was established as a firm in 2012, and at that time the operations were limited to South India. But in a very short span of time, Marticus has been able to establish its presence across other regions of India as well. Okay, so we are very active in North India as well, East, West, and recently the firm has also established its international presence by starting its operations in Dubai, UAE. Okay, now coming to the programs, Marticus provides skill-based trainings to the candidates across various fields such as the finance, data science, and artificial intelligence. All the offered programs have been designed in consultation with the industry partners and are updated regularly based on the current requirements of the industry, so that relevance in the program makes us more equipped to place the candidates at the end of the program. Okay, you can change the slide, Sakshi. Yeah. So coming to some numbers related to Marticus, we have trained more than 35,000 candidates so far, and the average training feedback has been 4.68. Okay, so this is out of 5, and this is based on the feedback we received from the students. Okay, so guys, I'll request all of you also to be active and share your feedback so that we can work upon the areas in which you feel we can do better. Okay, our aim is to reach 4.9, 4.95 at least. Okay, and we have 200 plus trainers on board which are providing trainings across 20 plus programs across finance, analytics, and artificial intelligence. Okay, we are partnered with 480 plus firms. This includes the learning training partners as well as placement partners with a median salary of 4+ lakhs. Okay, guys, this is a median salary. So it is not biased by 1 or 2 outliers. Okay, it's not an average number, it's a median number. Okay, we have an 87% placement record for the eligible students, Okay, and in today's discussion, you will get to know who all would be eligible for placements. And out of these, we are on average able to place 87% of the students, okay, with a package of 4+ lakhs with a median salary. Okay, it can be slightly higher or lower, but the median salary would be 4+ lakhs. Okay, the highest has been 11 lakhs. Now, this would depend upon the industry requirement at that time, also based on how the candidate performs during the interview. Okay, so that's about it. Now, Sakshi would help you with the training overview. And we also have placement team members, Rajat and Gitika. They will help you with the placement overview part. Okay. Guys, for any escalations, your first point of contact would be Sakshi related to the training part and Rajat and Gitika for the placement part. Okay. Please be very attentive in the training and placement overview, because this will be relevant for you till the end of the program now. Okay. So Sakshi, can you please brief them?
Yeah, thank you, Anshul. Yeah, guys. So, am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thanks for confirming. Okay, guys. So, first of all, welcome to Ematicus Learning. Okay, and you all have registered yourself for the course, which is CPWM, Certified Banking and Wealth Management course. Okay, so I'll be giving you a short overview regarding your training journey during your course. Right, so I'll be the training coordinator, and during the course, if you find any difficulty or any query regarding the training, you can directly reach out to me. My email ID, everyone has my email ID, right? So I have shared the welcome mail as well. So you can reach out to me there as well. And after this meeting, I'll be creating one group on the Telegram or might be on WhatsApp, and I'll be adding you everyone in that group. Okay. So as your training will go on through the online mode, so through the online mode, you will be receiving the schedule from the Ematicus team, in which the topics as well as the link for joining the session will be there. Okay, and the time will also be mentioned in that mail. So I have already shared that upcoming schedule with all of you. Your regular classes will start from 6th August onwards. Right, so I have shared the mail plus the topics as well as the link for joining the session. So after each session, you guys will be provided with the recorded video, as this session is also in recording. Okay, so that after the session, if you find any difficulty in some topics that has been taught in the session, then you can go back to the recording and check out the same. Right? So during your course, you will be provided with the ID and password of one of the platform, which is known as LMS. So basically, on the LMS, what will you find? Once you log into the LMS through the ID which Ematicus team will be providing to you, you can find the content of the course. Okay. So I'll be just like giving you the overview about the LMS. And after this, I will go to the LMS so that you can, view what kind of platform is that, right? So this is how it look like, right? So once you get the ID and password and you log into the ID, this will be the page that will appear first. And then on the LMS, what you can do is like all the modules which are included in your course is available on the LMS, and you can use them as free activities as well as for the post activities. So in the free activities, what you can do is, suppose if there is a session on the intro to financial statements or some other module, then you can first log into the LMS and go through that module so that you can do the, pre activities to complete before the required session. So you can just get the idea that what is upcoming in this session. Okay. And then post activities. So once your topic or module has been completed in the class, you can go through the LMS again and click on the module which has been completed. And in the module, you will find some assignments, okay, and some lecture videos. Some already pre-recorded lecture videos are also available on the LMS, right? Okay, so during your course, we will be arranging one or two might be industry mentorship session. So in this mentorship session, we will align some industry experts so that they can give you some career guidance, okay, and also give you some idea about resume review, like what you can add on in your resume or what you should not add on your resume. Okay, so this will be basically a career guidance. You can ask any question or any doubt you have related to your career after this program. You can directly connect with a mentor during the mentorship session. Okay. Yeah. So on the LMS, there will be some quizzes for every section. Like as I told you, for every module, after the completion of the topic or module in the class, you can go back to the LMS and you will find some assignments or quizzes there just for your self-practice, right? And then semester exams. So this is for the other course, not for you. Okay, so next we come to the mock interview to prepare for real interview. Okay, so during this course, you will be having your mock interview after the completion of every level. Okay, so basically there will be three levels. Like in your schools, you have exams like first term exam and the second term exam, right? So basically, in this course, you will be having three levels. Level one, in which some of the topics are there. So once the level one is completed, we will align the level one mock with your batch. So the level one mock is aligned to check how much you have grabbed the knowledge regarding the modules which are included in level one. Okay. And similarly, once your level two is completed, we will align another mock interview. And then similarly in the case of level three as well. So these mock interviews are aligned so that you can well prepared for the real interview once you go into some company. Okay. And graded. Okay. So students will be graded based on assessment. So grade book will be provided to you, which will be similar to the report card which you get from the schools. Okay, so gradebook is maintained in the LMS only, and that will be visible to you after the completion of your course. I will show how the gradebook look like. Okay, and on the basis of your grades, certificates will be provided to you, right? So till here, am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes, thank you so much. So this is how your gradebook look like, right? So we have 100 percentages in which there are some parameters which include weightage in this 100%. So the criterias are attendance, which will include 10% of the weightage from the 100%. So you all need to attend all the classes until and unless if you have any family emergency or any type of emergency, you will come back to me before the session on the mail, writing to me that, ma'am, I won't be eligible, like I won't be available for today's session because I am having some kind of emergency. Okay, so you need to inform me before the session. Until and unless you have any kind of emergency, you won't be missing any of the sessions. It is compulsory for all to attend all the sessions. Okay. So if your attendance will be 100%, then only full 10 marks will be included in the grade group. Second is semester 1 evaluation. So as I mentioned that there will be 3 levels. Okay. So after the completion of level 1, we will be aligning your semester 1 mocks, which will include 10% again in the total weightage, and semester 1 evaluation. So semester 1 evaluation is a kind of test which will occur on the LMS platform. Okay. So it is a kind of exam. Once we release the exam, uh, once the Marticus team release the exam, it will appear on your LMS only, and you can give the exam only on the LMS. So the exam will include the MCQ type questions. Okay. And the time duration to complete the exam will be mentioned or will be informed to you before the exam starts. Right? So attendance 10%, semester 1 and semester mock both 10% each, and then semester 2 evaluation. So semester 2 evaluation will take place after the completion of level 2. And semester 3 evaluation similarly after the completion of level 3. And then we come back to mid-sem mocks. So mid-sem mocks is having the weightage criteria of 15% from the total of 100. So mid-sem mock includes level 2 plus level 3 mock marks. Okay. So, and then we come back to semester 4 evaluation. Semester 4 evaluation, which will include all the topics that you have completed in level 1, level 2, as well as level 3. So this will be your final evaluation on the LMS. This will include 10% weightage from the total criteria, right? And then in the final, you will be having your final mock, which will be known as mock interview, which includes HR as well as the domain part. Okay. So basically, on the basis of your final mock, you will be eligible for the placement opportunity. So final mock is the one criteria which includes the highest weightage from the 100% marks, which is 25%. So all you have to do is focus on your study, attend the classes regularly, okay, so that you can grade well. Okay, and on the right side, you can see there is, the sample. So this is how your LMS will include the weightage. You can see here FinTech Gradebook Progress Report for Ved Chart. This is a like dummy gradebook. Okay, so suppose the candidate name is Ved Jha. Okay, so on the LMS, he will be able to see the gradebook like this. It will be written as your gradebook, right? Your overall scores, which will include these criteria, right? And here, your grade will be mentioned on the basis of your scores. Now, this is your certification part. So, as I mentioned that on the basis of your scores, you will be given the grade, okay? And if you score 90% and above, your grade will be grade A. And on the certificate, it will be written as Certificate of Excellence. You all can see the certificate now here on the screen. So here it is written as Certificate of Completion, right? So if you achieve the grade A, here it will be written as Certificate of Excellence, awarded to the name of the candidate upon the successful completion of the curriculum as prescribed by the Institute for Certification in Banking and Wealth Management, right? So this is how your certificate will look like. And so 90% and above, grade A with the Certificate of Excellence, 70% and 89.99%, like in between 70% and 89.99%, you will be given as grade C and the certificate of achievement. Between the scores of 50% and 69.99%, you will be given the grade as C and you will be given the certificate of completion. And if you score between 49 or below, like if you score 49% or below, you will be given as grade D and the certificate of participation only. Okay. And guys, also please make sure to achieve and to give your best to achieve the grade A or grade B, because grades C and D are not so good and you will get C and D. So the disadvantage will be in the placement opportunity. So if you are in grade D, you won't be eligible for any placement opportunity, right? So make sure to study well to come in the grade A, to achieve grade A or grade B, right? So for the certification part and the grade book part, is everything clear? Or if you have any confusion or query or question, you can ask me.
No, ma'am.
Everyone, please confirm.
No, ma'am.
So no for like what? Nothing is clear or no query? Yes.
Ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Uh,
Yes, Swati.
yes, ma'am. Actually, I'm confused how to use the LMS on the Zoom.
No, not on the Zoom. I'll go through the LMS part after this. Okay. So I'll show you how LMS looks like.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So basically, for the LMS, you will be given the username, ID, password. Just same as just you use Facebook now. So you have their ID and password. So LMS is also a similar kind of thing for the study material only. So basically, once you pay your first installment to your admin, we will be receiving the information directly from them that this candidate has paid their first installment. Then after that, we will be providing you with the access of the same. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So till now, it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much for the your confirmation. Now, student feedback, right? So your feedback is very valuable to us because after every feedback, we will be able to know that whether you are comfortable with your training or you need any or you need or require any kind of help from our side. Okay. So how we can take your feedback? Like first one is feedback through LMS after the completion of every module, right? So on the LMS, once you complete your module or level 1, we will be releasing the feedback form over the LMS only. Okay. So you need to just open that feedback form and give your feedback there. Okay. So that we can know how was your training for the level 1. And if there is any query or any help you require, then we will be able to know through that feedback form only. And then we will make sure that for the upcoming modules or upcoming training part, you won't be facing any type of query again. Okay. So it is compulsory for all to fill the feedback form. We will give you the reminder to fill the same. Right. And secondly, you can give the feedback directly reaching out to the training governance team at your center. So as I mentioned that I will be taking care for the training part and the governance part. if you face any kind of problem, you can directly reach out to me over the mail, or I will be also active on the group which I will be creating after this meeting. Okay. Now, third one is provide suggestions, raise concerns during the open house. So basically, what is open house? Like if you're having your training, like your lecture is going on with the trainer. Okay. So I will be coming in between the session and will ask you guys if you have any query or any help is required from my side. Then you can directly speak in between the session that this is the concern, and please resolve this. So definitely I will be helping you out on the same as well. Okay. And then if something is missed by the training team, like from me, if something is missed, then you can directly reach out to the center head for escalations. So basically, center head will be Ashish Ko, and some of the Chennai candidates are also sitting there. So we will be providing you with the escalation metrics as well, so that there is no confusion that to whom you need to reach out. Okay. And after every, if after reaching out to the training team as well as the center head, if you have not received any solution, then you can directly mail to this ID, which is wecare@imarticus.com. So basically, it is as similar as the customer care. Okay. Now, you will draft the mail to this ID only if you not receive any kind of solution from me or from the center head. Right? Is this clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is compulsory for all to give your feedback, right? Now, yeah. So now I will be sharing the screen and opening the LMS so that you can know how the LMS actually look like. Okay. So give me a second. Okay, guys. So this is how the LMS will look like. We will be providing you with the link of the same of this page. Okay. So here you need to fill your user ID, which will be your email ID, which you have provided to the LMS. Okay. And here we will provide you with the password as well. Okay. So suppose this is the dummy ID which I have created for this session. So suppose the user ID is this abc at the rate gmail.com, and the password. Once you sign in, this page will open up. Okay. So this is your profile, and this is the notification part. And once you scroll down, so once you scroll down the page, you will see your module of CBWN. This is my course, Certification in Finance, and this is your course module, Certification in Banking and Wealth Management. So once you click on this module, all the topics which are included and which will be provided to you are included here. If you scroll down, you can find the topics which you will be learning throughout your course. Okay. So what you can do is, suppose let's take one module, like this is banking and risk type, right? So once you click on this module, there is a class presentation on risk management. So for this module, there is a class presentation and you can click on start now. Once this topic is completed in the class, right? Let's take another example. Suppose this is corporate finance. Okay, once I click on it, there is a class presentation on the same. You can see here. Okay, so everything is available on the LMS for each module, right? And these are the modules. Okay, so as I mentioned, once you will be completing your course, here you can find your gradebook. Okay, there is no gradebook as of now because this course has not been completed, right? So once you complete your course, from here you can access your gradebook and as well as the certificate, right? So till now, do you have any queries you can ask?
Clear, ma'am.
Everything is clear till now?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, any question?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, please ask.
Ma'am, this ID is sent it on the mail.
Okay, so as I mentioned, once you clear your first installment to your respective centers, I will be receiving the mail directly from your center that this candidate has paid their first installment, and then I will be giving you the access and I will be providing you with the mail mentioning LMS login credentials. So this will be the subject of the mail, that is LMS login credentials. And I will be providing you with the user ID. I will be writing that in the user ID, you need to enter your email ID, which you have given to the Emarticus team. Okay. And then in the password, I will be sharing the password with everyone. Okay. So in the starting, I will be sharing the password on my own. And then once you log into the LMS, you can change the password. Okay. You can change the password and make any password on your own. Right? Is this clear, Swati?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So for the page, I will also be sharing the link as well. Right? So that's it from the training part. And yeah, also I have shared the schedule from 6 August onwards, right? So topics are mentioned in the schedule and as well as the link for joining the session is also mentioned there. And throughout your course, your trainer will be Shikhi Pandey, right? So she will be taking your sessions. So Shikhi ma'am is also here. So before going to the training part, I would like to call Geetika and Rajat, who will be taking care for the placement part, right? So they will be giving you the placement overview. So Geetika, are you there?
Yeah, hi, Sakshi.
Yeah, hi. So Geetika, you can take from here, right? I'm just
Sure.
making you the host.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah, very warm welcome to you all to Emarticus. This is Geetika Gupta. Along with me, Rajat Arora is there, and we will be your contact point for your placement process. So for the North candidates, me and Rajat will be the point of contact for you. For Sakshi, are the other base locations are also there? I mean, from other locations.
Yeah, so some of the candidates are from Chennai or maybe from Coimbatore.
Okay, fine. Thank
Yeah.
you. So the students who belongs to Chennai or Coimbatore, your point of contact will be Manasa and Rupesh. We will share those details with you, their email IDs and contact numbers with you. So students who are from Chennai and Coimbatore, they can reach out to Manasa and Rupesh for their placement assistance program. Okay. So yeah, let's start with this. So can I have just a simple idea about if we can get some introduction about yourself, that what are your education background and what are your qualification? Are you working, or just a brief idea about yourself? Sonam, can we start with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please give me a simple introduction about you and your qualification and all.
Ma'am, my name is Sonam Verma,
Yeah.
or I'm a graduate, and
Yeah.
ma'am,
In graduation, what you
और-
have done?
yes, ma'am. मैंने अब की बार एग्जाम फाइनल हुए मैम बीए के.
BA final.
Yes,
You are undergraduate. अभी आपने graduation complete नहीं किया है?
मैम एग्जाम हो गए हैं, डन हो गए हैं. अभी मैंने एग्जाम मैंने डन किए हैं. वही
Result
sorry.
आपका your result is pending, right?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. All fine. Thank you, Sonam.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. I am very nervous.
No issue. Just please come. It's just an introduction, just to get to what your previous background, and accordingly we can map on your further process for the place.
Ma'am, you are
Yes,
not
ma'am.
audible.
Yes, Swati, you have some query?
You are not audible. Sometimes.
Okay. Swati, can you please give your introduction?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
Yes, ma'am. Myself, Swati Tiwari. I'm postgraduate from Sri Guru Nanak Girls Degree College in economics.
Okay. And what in graduation have you done? You are a BA candidate?
No, ma'am. BCom.
BCom. Okay. In which year you have completed your BCom?
Ma'am, commerce section.
In which year you have completed your graduation?
And same. Ma'am, Sri Guru Nanak Girls Degree College.
No. Yes. In which year? कौन से साल में आपने?
Sorry, ma'am.
No issues.
Yes, ma'am. 2018.
2018. Okay. And PG you're pursuing or?
No, ma'am. Completed.
Completed in 2020, right? Are you working
Yes,
somewhere currently?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. Thank you. Yeah, Thakin, please introduce yourself. Tamim Ansari, am I audible to you?
Gitika, in between your voice is not coming.
Ma'am,
Okay.
my name is Tamim Ansari, ma'am. I'm from Ranipet, Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
I'm a graduation intern from BCA, Bachelor of Computer Application.
Okay. And do you have some work experience?
Sorry, ma'am?
Do you have some work experience?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Jayanti, can you please introduce yourself? Rajat, if I'm not audible, can you please take over?
Sure.
Yeah.
Janji, can you please tell something about yourself?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, hi Jayanti.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Myself, Janti Thakur. I'm from Darbhanga. I was completed my graduation in 2019. My honors is become on account honors.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what you have done after your graduation, Janji?
Actually, so MCom.
MCom. So you have completed your MCom or you this is pursuing?
I'm pursuing my MCom.
Okay, great. Okay. Sharmila,
Yes, sir.
can you please tell something about yourself?
Yeah, this is Sharmila. I have completed my graduation in 2016. Completed BE Civil Engineering. After completing my degree, I have worked as 1.5 years as in call center. After I got married, so that's why I'm trying to search for any other jobs.
Okay. Great. What you have done in graduation, Sharmila?
Civil engineering.
Okay. Vipin, can you please tell something about yourself?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Morning.
My name is Vipin Singh. I belong to Gorakhpur, UP. I have completed my graduation from KIPM College of Engineering in 2020, and I have fresher now. I am fresher.
What you have done in graduation?
Mechanical engineering, sir. BTech.
Mechanical. Tinka, can you tell something about yourself?
Hi, good morning, sir. I am Anu. I am from
And
Bihar. I completed my graduation. Hello.
yes, Anu, please.
Hello.
You are
Sir,
audible,
I am
Anu.
Anu. I am from Bihar. Yeah. Yes, sir. Hello.
You are audible, Anu. Please tell.
Yeah. Yes, sir. I completed my graduation. In 2014. I am fresher.
Do you have some work experience, Anu?
No, sir. I am fresher.
And what you have done in your graduation? What degree?
Yeah, Bachelor of Arts.
Bachelor of
In
Arts.
English honors.
Okay.
Yeah.
In 2014, huh?
Yeah. 2014.
Great. Next one, please. Priyanka.
I am Priyanka. I'm from Chennai. I completed my degree graduation in 2016 in electrical and electronics engineering, and in 2016 then I worked in a software company for 1 year. Then I got married, then I left the job. Now I'm searching for another career.
Great.
That's my end.
Great. Sharan, can you please tell something about yourself?
Yeah, my name is Sharan. I'm living in Chennai.
You are not audible, Sharan. Yes.
Yeah, my name is Sharan. I'm living in Chennai and I have completed my graduation in 2019, Bachelor of Engineer in Electronic and Communication. I was passed out in 2019.
Great. Bhagwat Singh, can you please tell something about yourself?
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Sir, myself Bhagwat Singh, and I have completed my graduation from the University of Calcutta in Accounts and Finance in Honors.
Great. In which year?
I have passed in 2017, and now I'm fresher.
You're a fresher. Yes, so what you have done in between after 2017 to till date?
Sir, due to some family crisis, I left the study, and after 3 or 4 years, I am trying to pursue a career in banking sector.
Okay, great. Karthik, can you tell something about yourself?
Karthik, there is some disturbance. Let's move on to Kevin by the time.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes, Kevin.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Kevin Sean Daniel. I'm 20 years old. I come from Chennai. I did my undergrads in history at Loyola College, Chennai, and I just passed out in the year 2021. So I have no work experience because I just finished my undergrads in history.
Great, great, great. Is anyone left, or we have completed everyone?
Yes, Rajat, we have spoke to everyone. Only Karthik is left. So, okay, there is some connectivity issue with Karthik. Karthik, if you can please write down in chat if we are audible to you or not.
So meanwhile, Karthik writing in the chat, I just want to bring something in front of you guys, especially the candidates who are from Lucknow or Gorakhpur side area. Along with your domain knowledge, communication is also played a vital role in grabbing a good job. Because whenever you will going to face any interview, majority of the time they will ask question in English, and if you are not able to answer them correct way or in the correct language, this will hamper your interview. So you have time. So along with your study, I suggest you to work on your communication part as well. Try to read novels in English, try to read newspaper in English, try to watch movie with subtitle, try to speak in English with your classmates, with your family members. This will increase your communication skills in English. It's a suggestion from my side, because at the end, when you are come to our pool, and if you are not in communication, this will hamper only you. See, this is placement assured program. I can bring a number of companies for you, but to crack the interviews completely in your forte. What my point, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
See, because this is just a beginning, that is why you can start working on yourself if you're finding yourself somewhere that yes, you are lacking into communication part or in your domain part. So from the start itself, just be very confined on yourself and be very precise and take the help of trainer to do not put and do not make any doubt in yourself. If you have any doubt, please reach out to your trainer and clear those doubt immediately, right? It will help you in enhancing your progress. Yes, Raja.
Before starting the process, I am just sharing you one thing which will definitely help you. So what I found, sometimes you feel hesitated while you speak in English. Just go to Google. Whatever you want to speak, just type here. Like this. This will help you in improving your grammar part. I think this will help you a lot, guys. Okay?
Okay, sir.
You think I'm going to start now?
Yeah. So am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
let me explain you about how the placement process will be. Though we are just giving you a simple idea how the placement process will work upon you. Later on during the intervention after your level 1, level 2, we are again going to meet you. And for Chennai candidates, your spokesperson from Chennai and Coimbatore, they are going to speak to you later on. So just
You think I'm again not audible?
Please
Let me take
pardon.
from here. Guys, I will take from here. So I start with the placement process. Now we had just give you the glimpse, the main part of any interview, which is communication and domain knowledge, and you have to make perfect in both the parts. Domain knowledge is not something so tough for you, but yes, to improve your communication skill, you start putting your effort from today itself. So I start with the placement process. So guys, once you complete your course, you complete with your final mock, which will be taken by the internal trainer. Then Sakshi will share your scorecard and your details with us, and we will provide you the access to our placement portal, which is Superset. You need to register and enroll on the Superset, and we will float all the job opportunities there on Superset only. One more thing I would like to know, are you all comfortable with English? यहाँ कोई ऐसा तो नहीं है जिसको नहीं आ रही हो समझ में?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Comfortable with English.
Really guys are comfortable, but not
Yes,
guys.
I'm comfortable.
No, sir, it's comfortable.
So all the job opportunities we will float via Superset, and you have to apply on Superset only. There is no as such mails or calls or message will be sent by placement or career service team for any job posting. It's completely your responsibility to keep track of your email, your messages. Now, second question comes, how you will get to notify when we will post the job. So whenever we post any job on the Superset will automatically trigger an email on your registered email address, which you have given to Sakshi. And similarly, a text message on your mobile number to notify you that placement team have posted a job description. You need to log in on the Superset. You can use it via mobile or by laptop. You need to read the job description carefully. What is the roles and responsibility? What is the CTC they offered? What are the education background they are looking for? Almost for this course, 90% of the company are not looking for education background, but yes, you have to check each and every eligibility criteria. And if you find suitable, then only you can apply. Like Chennai students are majorly looking for jobs in Chennai. So Rupesh and Manasa is the concerned person. I can also share sometimes the opportunities. So similarly for North students, they are majorly looking for Lucknow or nearby area. But we receive job opportunities from entire region, from entire India. Sometimes we receive for NCR, sometimes we receive for Hyderabad or nearby locations for Bangalore. So you have to check each and every eligibility criteria, and if you find suitable that this job opportunity which we have shared is completely fit for you, then you can apply accordingly. Now next point is what comes in your final mock, because only final mock will be considered for the placement. Your final mock, which will be taken by the internal trainer, and the score given by the internal trainer on your final mock. On the basis of that score, we will give the access of Superset portal to the students. So for this, I am starting with the eligibility. Students has to score minimum tier 3, that we can say 50% marks in their final mock to get eligible for receiving the Superset access and the placement opportunities.
Rajat, here they have mentioned the grade A, B, and C. So yes, tier 3 is called as.
You are not audible, ma'am.
As Sakshi have introduced, so they are now calling it as grade A, grade B, and grade C. So students
Right.
who secure below grade C won't be eligible, but yes, students who will be in the grade A, grade B, and grade C will be eligible for the next opportunities.
Like she told you, in terms of grade, we called it as a tiering, and we need to update your tiering on Superset. Only after that you can apply. So those candidates who score above 50% marks, and who falls down under T3, T2, or T1, they will be eligible for receiving the job opportunities. But those candidates who score below 50% marks need to reappear for a mock with the internal trainer, and once they come up to level 3 or above, then we will giving them the job opportunities. Clear till this point?
Any confusion so far related to the placement process?
No doubts.
No, ma'am.
All right.
Anybody else? Are we clear to everyone?
North candidates?
Are you getting the placement process, how the placement process will work upon after completion of your course?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
Guys, if you have any confusion, write in the chat box immediately. I will answer your query. Next point is attendance should be 80% and above. Make sure there are 2 reasons to maintain the attendance. Once when you present in class, you will definitely going to learn something, right? Second thing, it is also be eligibility part. We will soon share the ICR agreement, which is nothing, a contract between you and us, that we will provide you the placement assistance program on below conditions. So whatever I am sharing with you, that will be written in the document and you need to sign and send back to us. We will share our email ID and the today's minutes of meeting with you. You will find each and every information there. So attendance should be 80% and above. Now next point, which is very much important for you because you have lots of dream to get placed in good retail bank. So I'm starting from your side, how you feel, what kind of bank you are looking for. Just name of some bank where you are dreaming to get the job. Can anyone?
Yes. GFC, ICICI.
State Bank of India.
Thanks, Bhagat. Anyone else?
Axis Bank, sir.
Axis Bank, great.
In ICICI Bank.
ICICI Bank. Great. So
Union
my
Bank.
next point is, guys, the interview criteria for these ICICI, HDFC, Axis Bank is very much tough. Soon you will going to learn a lot of different verticals in your course. So not on the bank, there are some asset management companies, there are some stock broking companies, which all companies, for all these companies, you guys are eligible. So to get eligible for these tier 1 companies, you people have to score at least T1 or T2 in your final mock. Like in Chennai, Bandhan Bank is very famous. North, we have HDFC, ICICI, Axis, we have Anand Rathi, we have Aditya Birla. We have recently opened for your senior batch, Anand Rathi and Aditya Birla MC. That is why I started to focus on communication, because these companies look after for excellent communication skills. And if you lack, it will be difficult for you to crack such kind of interviews. So from initial days, start focus completely on these 2 verticals. Right, guys? This point is clear? Eligibility for tier 1 companies?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Great. Now next point is, in Superset there is a default setting that if you reject from first 5 interviews, you need to go for a remock. So let's take an example. I have shared Anand Rathi, I have shared ICICI, Axis, XYZ, 5 companies with you. You appear in the interview process, and if you rejected on any stage in initial 5 companies, Superset assumes that you need some more preparations. So whenever you reject from any company, you need to assess yourself where you are lacking, and accordingly you can take the help from your trainer and improve on that area. Then again you will give mock and again come back to pool and start receiving the 6th opportunity. Clear this point, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Interview parameters I have already covered. To get eligible for tier 1 companies, you need excellent communication skills, which include both your verbal communication as well as your grammar. So you can take help from Google as well. You can take help from newspaper, take help from novel, movie with subtitle, and start improving your communication, especially not students. Second is your domain knowledge. Domain knowledge is something which you have to learn during this course, जो कि आपको क्लास में पढ़ाया जाएगा. This is your domain knowledge. So 50% of the question they will going to ask from the theoretical or basic part. They can ask you, tell me what is mutual fund. They can ask, tell me what is CASA. How you convince the customer. How you sell the product. So to give the answer for such questions, you need to strong your domain part as well. Now I comes to noted some points in front of you, and this is one of the most favorite part of this process. First of all, guys, companies usually take time to complete their process. See, sometimes what happen if any company has having a bulk hiring, yeah, bulk requirement, they will share the job description with too many campuses. And to take the interviews and complete the interview process, companies will take time. So in such situation, please do not get impatient. If you want to know, if you want to track your application for any particular company, you just need to write an email to either Gitika or me. We will answer your query within 48 working hours. Second thing is relocation. So let's take an example. If I got the opportunity for Lucknow or nearby region, or we can say in the Uttar Pradesh. So maybe job can be in Lucknow, can be in Kanpur, or can be in nearby area. It can be in main city, it can be in outer city. Sometimes we got the opportunity from Delhi NCR on the very handsome package. So in that situation, you guys prepare your mind that you need to relocate. If company offer good package and you like the job profile, so in that case, you need to relocate as per the business requirement.
See, why
Create
I
this.
think about the relocation part is it is not necessary that when you are completing your course, the job opportunities will come up from your particular location. So whatever we are getting from any of the location, the job opportunities, we are going to share with you all. Okay, so be ready for the relocation part. That whatever the opportunity is coming up, you need to grab those opportunity instead of thinking that no, this is not from my location and I cannot be relocate or something like that. So please be open for this. You can get the opportunity either from Delhi NCR for Rajasthan region or for UP region, or for the southern candidates, they may get the opportunity from Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Coimbatore, anywhere. So please be open for the relocation part.
Guys,
Yes, Rajat.
next point is whenever you answer of any question during the interview, try to back it with the example. I'm taking an example. If someone sells you to sell CASA account to any customer. So for this question, you should know one example with you, that this is the XY person, ये उसकी need है, उसकी need के according I can pitch this product to him, so he will convince, अच्छी तरीके से जल्दी हो जाएगा. So you should know the example which you can ask from your trainer as well. You can take help from the trainer for such questions. You can Google it, what kind of questions asked by the retail bank, and you can check the answers with your trainer as well. So make your question bank also, and whenever answer during the interview, backed up with the example. Next point is smoothness of answer during the interview. If you don't know the answer, just simply tell them that, sir, I am not aware with this question. I have no answer, and I can check and get back to you. Don't try to narrate any other story, or don't try to stretch the question, your answer. बहुत लंबा नहीं करना है, शॉर्ट एंड क्रिस्प. जो उसने पूछा है उसको वही बताना, उसके ज्यादा ज्ञान नहीं देना है. Got this point, guys?
Yes, sir.
Next point is resume. We will going to share a resume format with you. You need to enter, you fill your details in that format, which is predefined Marticus format, and convert it into PDF. See what happens sometimes if you share something with us and by mistake any information misplaced from your resume, this will hamper you only. So always share your resume in PDF format. PDF से चीजें डिलीट नहीं होती हैं, वर्ड फाइल से डिलीट हो जाती है.
See, no one intentionally, by any chance, if any of your information get get altered by any chance, though no one do such things, but in case if it happens, it will impact your resume. So always share your resume and proper alignment and in PDF format. Though you will get your resume writing session from your trainer's side, and they will also guide you on that part.
Guys, last point is, if anyone is having plan for higher studies or to going back to join family business, I believe all of you come here to get a job, but फिर भी एक पूछ लेता हूँ, girls might have their marriage prospects. So in that case, just please inform us in advance so that we can plan out the things accordingly. So this is the placement process from my end. Now comes back to you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Any questions related to placement process?
Are you all clear with the placement process?
Ma'am.
Though still, if you have any queries related to the placement, you can write back to us on our email ID. You will get our email ID in the.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yes, Kevin.
You mentioned a superset a lot of times. Actually, what is a superset?
Superset is the placement portal. It's kind of software.
In the LM is
It's
it in the LMS portal or?
No, it's the same portal, but not a LMS. It's similar like LMS portal.
You will get this access. We are going to share the details, access for superset. So you will get the superset access after completion of your course. Okay. And you will get the email from your registered email ID and password. Yes, you can open the superset portal and you will get the job opportunities what we are going to share with you.
Kevin, it's same like Facebook account you are creating. Similarly, you need to create a superset account.
But not now. Once after completion of
your
course, you will get the registration link and your email ID, and by using your email ID and password, you can open and access that. Any more queries?
Thank you. Thank you.
Sonam, Thami, Jayanti, Sharmila, Vipin, कोई query है?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
मतलब मैंने अच्छा explain किया है ना?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Great.
So this is all about the placement process. Though if you have any queries, you can reach out to us over the mail and we are happy to help you out. Just a suggestion again, that is, please start taking your course very seriously and take help of your trainer to.
You are again audible, ma'am. He is saying take your course seriously. What we have tell you think on it and prepare accordingly, because at the end your main focus should be to grab a job. इसीलिए आप लोग आए हो और उसके लिए तैयारी करना उतना ही जरूरी है, तभी आपको अच्छी जॉब मिलेगी,
Yeah.
है ना. After this call, Geetika ma'am will share an email, minutes of meeting with you, what we have discussed today, along with my and her email address. So whenever you have any query or you want to take help from career service team, you just need to write an email to either of the us. We will revert on your query within 48 working hours.
And for the Coimbatore and Chennai candidates, we are going to share the details of your placement coordinators from Chennai team.
Rupesh and Manasa will be the concerned person for Chennai candidates.
Yes, Tamim, you have some query?
Your voice is not audible.
Rajat, please take over.
Geetika and Rajat, I guess we can add this point on the mail as well of the minutes of meeting, that who is their point of contact for the placement part, right?
Will do.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, all the best. Now go to your class. Thank you so much for your time.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, so guys, from here onwards, Shikhi ma'am, who is your trainer, will be taking over, right?
Okay, good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. So
Good
this is the
morning, ma'am.
voice you'll hear most often. We'll interact on a daily basis, like 5 days a week. So I think most of the points have been covered. My only suggestion to you would be, we can make a difference in your life only if you are ready for it. Okay. The ultimate aim of all of you guys and we at Marticus is the same. You want a good job and we want you to be placed in a good job. But there are some requirements for that good job. We will give you ways to prepare to get that job. The actual hard work has to be done by you. So if you're honest to yourself, you're honest to this course, I'm sure we can do it for you. But your involvement and your hard work is what is required. You know? So you would have heard a lot of, or rather read a lot of things on India's employment, unemployment, and the graduates in India are not prepared. They are not suitable to work professionally. So we try to fill in this gap. But obviously, you will have to bring in that change in you so that you finally become employable. Okay. So we have a big team. You've seen, you've interacted with Anshul, who's the training head, then Sakshi, then we also have a placement head. I will take care of the academics. So we have a lot of people to help you start your professional journey. But definitely your contribution is also required. So as Sakshi told you, you'll be given an access to LMS. It would be better if you could pre-read your assessment, your subjects or the topics before we have in the class. Sakshi has already shared the session module, the session schedule, and we'll be going strictly by it. Maybe 1 or 2 cases where we have an overlap, we might take it the next day. But you will, in most probability, have the schedule with you. Going as per that schedule, please take out time and read it. It will be better for understanding when we discuss in the class. Also, if some doubts have cropped in your mind, that can be shared and it will be good for everybody's learning. So my expectations from you would be to pre-read the topics which we are going to cover in the class. Also, as Rajat and Geetika have spoken about your communication skills. Communication skills, what we mean is your comfort with the English language. So this is one requirement. So, you said most of you said you want to work with ICICI Bank, Axis Bank. So if you're in the customer facing role, these banks would expect you to be able to hold a conversation in English. So we have a period of 3.5-4 months where you can work on your skills. For learning any language, the first requirement is reading. So Rajat suggested reading newspaper or storybook or novels or watching movies. So learning English it can be a very interesting process if you take all these into consideration. Okay, so from today itself, or maybe tomorrow we are starting with a new month, so you can take a pledge with you that every day you will at least take out 1 hour from your schedule and read something, maybe a newspaper. No, you can start with the newspaper. If you're not comfortable with the language, start with the newspaper. Even if you're comfortable with the newspaper, start reading the financial news page, which will help you to understand the concepts which we are talking about, the products which we are going to talk about. So it will make you more comfortable with the financial words. So at least every day read the financial page of a newspaper. And in today's time, it is very easy. All of us have a mobile. We can log on to that site and read. So these things, if you follow these discipline, you'll be more than ready by the end of 4th month to appear for your interview. Okay, so there are going to be no magic pills, or there are not going to be any magic tricks where we will make you employable. We can only guide you. The actual hard work has to be done by you. But all of you by now would have realized that hard work is the key to success. For anything you want to achieve, hard work is required. And if you put in that hard work, the world is waiting for you. Okay, so this is my expectation. We are going to talk on this on a regular basis. Whenever I'm taking a class, whenever I'm trying to explain you a concept, we'll talk about that. But your effort is required. Okay, so I think as of now, I just have to share this. I want a pledge from you guys to work hard, and I'm sure with that, you'll make Rajat's job easy to give you a good placement. Okay. In case you guys have any questions about your learning, about academics, I can answer it now. Anyone? So how many people are from Chennai? So I know Sharmila is from Chennai. Who else is from Chennai? I've been
Priyanka, I'm from Chennai.
Sharmila is from Chennai. Yeah. Priyanka also?
Yes, ma'am. I am also from Chennai.
Okay.
Kevin, ma'am.
Kevin, okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, Sharan.
And Vipin and Anu. You are from
Lucknow,
Gorakhpur.
Yes, ma'am.
So there's no problem in understanding English, no? You'll be able to understand English?
Yes,
Anu,
yes,
Vipin?
ma'am.
Okay. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
And how many people from Jaipur? Jaipur, anyone? No one from Jaipur. Okay. So primarily we have people from extreme south and extreme north. No issues, not a problem. So we start our session on the 6th. So we'll be the first topic is about finance and financial system. So you have a week now, almost a week. Please go through it. And it will be better if we start the session with a question answer session, so that I will know your understanding, and it would be an interactive session. If the session would be interactive, the learning would be more profound. Okay. So any question you guys have, anything you want to ask, share, your expectation? Yes, Bhagat. Anything you want to say?
Ma'am, Miss Bhagwat.
Bhagwat, sorry.
I said, ma'am, Miss Bhagwat. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you told about 2 pre-reading about the topics.
Yeah.
So where we can find about it?
LMS, on the LMS.
Okay.
So the moment you pay your fees, you will be given the access to LMS, and you can log in and read it.
Okay, thank you.
Ma'am, can we log in today the LMS?
I will not know. Only if you have paid a certain amount of fees, you are given access to LMS. Sakshi would be in a better situation to tell us if you can log into
So
LMS.
guys, as I mentioned, once you pay your first installment of your fees, okay, so you must have been given the installment or maybe one shot. This is only up to you. So once you pay your first installment, on Monday, I will be receiving the information from your respective centers, that this candidate has cleared his or her first installment. And then on the same day, like on Monday, I will be sharing the LMS login credentials with you. Okay.
Ma'am, actually we have been paid a first installment also, first payment and first installment.
Okay.
So we can receive the mail from Monday, right ma'am?
Yes, maximum by Monday.
Okay.
Yeah.
So after that we can log in LMS and we can start reading,
Correct.
right?
Correct, sir.
Yes, okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
Yeah, anything else? So Sakshi, if they don't have any questions, I think we can close the session now.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So you have received a schedule. So we'll be having your first class on 6th of August, right? So before that, let's make sure that you come up with the pre-activity knowledge of the session. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank
guys. Thank you, Shiki.
Okay,
Thank you,
thank you.
everyone.
Bye.
Have a good day.